By the way, for a camera, I get lots of questions about what kind of camera should I take. I'm a big fan of taking one of the more modern GoPros. This is a GoPro Hero 5 Black, which is the oldest model that I would recommend taking. This is the first model that had pretty reasonable image stabilization. It takes pretty good still pictures. It takes pretty good video. It doesn't get pixelated with motion too easily. And it has a mode in it where it's turned off. You push the record button, it will turn itself on, start recording video, and then when you push the button to stop recording, it shuts the whole thing off. So you don't have to power it up and then go start the video, and then when you're done, stop recording and then power it down. It does that all with this button on top. So I really like that. Got some pretty good footage with the GoPro, and I really like how it is strapped on here. That made it really easy and convenient. Last time in 2017, I had just a carabiner that I clipped around a different type of tripod. It didn't fit as well, and I was using a faux pro, a fake GoPro camera that didn't start and stop on the record button, and it was a lot more hassle to take the camera off, shoot some video, take some pictures, put it back. This made it super simple and easy.